Hello everyone, I have a unique product here that will help you save money on petrol, diesel, and even cooking gas. This is an amazing product all the way from US that is currently helping so many Nigerians right now to cushion the effect of fuel subsidy removal. Now, I call this science in a bottle. I call it chemistry in a bottle. Now, the formulation of this product is backed up by a chemistry called organometallic chemistry from the US that won a Nobel Prize in 1973. And that is called the organometallic compound. Now, this compound is a burn rate modifier. If it comes into a combustion engine, it will ignite the petrol at a lower temperature, thereby enhancing the efficient burn or complete burn of your petrol, improving your fuel economy. Did you hear me say that? Yes. This product improves fuel economy. It will save costs between 20 to 50%. In some cases, we've seen clients who saved up to 100% of their daily fuel or diesel consumption. It also works for cooking gas. That's the amazing and remarkable part. The burn rate modifier modifies cooking gas as well. Be able to cook longer with just 2 mil of this added to a 12.5 kg of cylinder. Guys, reach out to me. This is helping so many Nigerians. The testimonies are enormous. So many tricycles, so many Okada riders, so many transport companies, and so many manufacturing companies are now using this product to save their machines or combustion engine, whether it's keke or generator or any type of combustion engine. This product works for you. You don't have to go and change your generator to to gas. Many people who have tried it, they still discover that it's still the same cost or the consumption is even higher. But with this product, the burn rate modifier works a lot. It has polymerization retardants. It has so many things, demulsifiers, fuel stabilizers, so many things that will help your engine and help you save a lot of money. We deliver this product nationwide. Anywhere you are in the country, it's payment on delivery. So relax your mind. Relax your mind. It's payment on delivery. And I assure you, just a sachet of this has the capacity to treat between 50 to 100 liters. While this bottle in my hand has the capacity to treat up to 1,200 liters. And this thing comes in dollars. So don't ask me what is the price because exchange rate differs. So when you reach out to me, we check the exchange rate. I'll be able to let you know how much it is per time. Thank you so much. Comment on this video and you will be happy you did because you start saving so much money on diesel, petrol, or cooking gas. Have a great day, guys.